Imagine waking up on a busy 2025 morning. You grab your phone, and Netflix already recommends a show that hits your vibe. Your smart coffee maker brews your perfect cup before you even walk in the kitchen. Your car's navigation reroutes you around traffic before you've even buckled up. None of this is magic. It's artificial intelligence quietly crafting your day. In today's world, AI isn't sci-fi, it's real. It's a voice in your Amazon Alexa, the algorithm suggesting products on Amazon, the tech behind self-driving features in modern cars, and the system that helps your doctor detect early-stage disease. At the core of many of these technologies is machine learning, or ML. If AI is a grand orchestra, ML is a conductor guiding the instruments. Rather than manually coding every single rule, you feed examples to the system and let it discover the patterns. Think of teaching someone to recognize a cat not by spelling out features, but by showing thousands of cat photos until the pattern clicks. Machine learning comes in three flavors. First, supervised learning, like flashcard with answers. This is a cat, this is a dog. The system learns to predict labels. Next, unsupervised learning, which is like giving someone a box of puzzle pieces with no picture. Just let them find clusters on their own. Finally, reinforcement learning, where AI learns like a gamer, making moves, receiving rewards or penalties, and refining its strategy. Now let's anchor this in real 2025 examples. AI-powered chatbots triaging medical questions, autonomous vehicles navigating complex city streets, recommendation engines suggesting personalized playlists, AI helping doctors spot cancers earlier than ever, and AI detecting fraud instantly in financial transactions. So, why should you care about learning AI and ML right now? Because in 2025, the demand for AI-savvy professionals is through the roof, and so are the salaries. Machine learning engineers in the U.S. average around $158,000 base, with total compensation, bonuses, and equity, climbing to about $202,000. Built in, data scientists earn an average of approximately $126,600, with total pay ranging from $50,000 to $345,000, depending on experience and company. Built in, top-end data scientists at major firms like Roblox or Airbnb can earn between $264,000 and $417,000. Glassdoor. Meanwhile, machine learning engineers with mid-level experience, around 5 years, can expect salaries from $133,000 to $181,000 in 2025. Motion recruitment. But it doesn't stop there. Silicon Valley's AI talent war is fierce. Research scientists at companies like Meta or OpenAI are seeing total compensation between $3 million and $7 million annually. Financial Times. At Microsoft, AI-strong engineers earn up to $377,600. Windows Central. These figures show just how highly valued AI expertise has become. Still, it's not only about money. AI is reshaping healthcare, education, creativity, and the very ways we live. And one of the best parts? You don't need a traditional CS degree. Many professionals earn top salaries through online courses, self-led projects, and pure curiosity. Looking ahead. Over the next 5 years, AI will become woven into every industry. We'll see personalized AI tutoring, precision farming powered by data, smart logistics reducing emissions, and even AI-driven preventive healthcare in rural clinics. The world is getting smarter, and you can be too. Here's my advice. Start small. Build a simple chatbot, classify images, or train a recommendation model. Break it, fix it, explain it, like teaching a friend how your code works. That's the kind of deep, resilient learning that companies are searching for. If this video helped you understand AI's impact and why it matters, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and let me know in the comments which AI topic you're excited to explore next. The AI future is being shaped right now, and with the right skills, you could be its architect. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Sources: Sage.